How to use eBay Global Shipping Program. Hey guys, welcome back. So to use the eBay Global Shipping Program, you essentially ship your item to a domestic shipping hub and eBay handles the international logistic from there. So what you need is, first of all, you have to enroll in the program. So you must have a seller rating of above standard or higher, and you must go to your shipping preferences in the account settings. So what you need is just go to your profile at the bottom. You could go to my eBay, and here you just want to make sure to go to shipping preferences. So you just want to make sure to go to the seller's account, and then you have to select or locate shipping preferences in the account settings. Then you have to find global shipping programs or eBay international shipping and select edit to opt in as well. And many eligible accounts are now enrolled automatically. You could check your settings to confirm enroll status as well. And while creating a list, you could look for international postage section and select sell internationally with the global shipping programs as well. And you could also use bulk editing tool to apply GSP to multiple activities or active listing at once as well. So this is how you're supposed to use eBay Global Shipping Program. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.